So in the world of SaaS applications, what services should you target? Either a service-based product or product-based service. So that is the thing that I'm very much confused about right now. So I have been trying to get into the SaaS world as a software as a service or a service industries, and what I was finding was how to make your service as a SaaS platform more profitable. So the first thing idea was where to find our idea. Firstly, I'm gonna carbon copy the app that had been already been doing well and that is already paid. So there are some things that I've learned from the SaaS application building and building a product as a service and building a service as a service. So the thing is that if you are trying to start out the SaaS, then don't think validate your new ideas for the next new unicorn startup. Just make a app that supply, or there is a more demand and less supply. Just find that product and validate that product, and if that application is already making that money, then just clone that copy as your first startup. In this way you will get your hands dirty with building a SaaS, and then only if you have a VC funding or angel investors, or if you have your friends or families investing in your next startup ideas that hasn't been established or existed yet, then only do that. Else if you are building your application on your own money, then don't just do it. Also, don't just leave your work to just build your next startup. That is too risky. Then if you started with deploying the copycat version, then try to make a different version from that copycat, a little bit of tweaks of here and there of what your own creativity tells you to do, because that will help your product set a unique value and see if there is a product market fit in that sections. And if there is a section, since obviously there will be a section, since you will be already be building a profitable business ideas of application that is already generating and revenue, but you have to be aware that the product founder fit should necessary. The product founder fit is that the founder, you yourself, should be interested and passionate in building that application, else it won't last long. It will just be like a 3 months of period of building application, and then you will just stop it. So see if there is a product founder fit for your application or not. Then there comes a challenging period of where you are going to actually make a money in distribution section. This distribution section is more likely that you will go and approach the businesses. If your product is like B2B, or if your product is like B2C, then you will marketing. There will be sales marketing, you will be a digital marketing, or you will be having a physical marketing or business stocks or LinkedIn stuff like that. So you are gonna be investing your lots of period of times, mental energy and the physical energy in going to businesses and trying to convince a customer to use a product or buy a product. So this is a distribution section which is very challenging. So consider that as your first step of making a money. Since that building application is now a lot easier because of use of AI, so this distribution section is a lot more demanding and high consuming for now. And then try to get a social leads of organic social medias, post videos, post contents, create reels. And the main thing is, after all thing you have done, the right thing is the time in the game. So if you are at the right time at the right place, then your product will surely boom. Else you will just be stuck like me, that I haven't built a completely profitable business yet. So this is what I have learned from 1 year of building a SaaS applications, which makes $0 a month. And peace out.